When it comes to Chevy ZR2, this one here, it's definitely climbing the list on one of my favorites. Is the 90s retro sort of look for you? This customer wanted to come in and get the best suspension set up for his combination. He loves going off-road a little bit, but mostly on-road. With the BDS 4-inch kit, I'll show you exactly what we've done here at Big Dog Builds and how you can get it on your ZR2 or 1500 Chevy LTZ. When it comes to the rear end of the ZR2, they're a great looking vehicle already. This one here is the sterling grey. I call it more of a silver, but the sterling grey has replaced the slate grey for the Chevy 2500s in the 2025 model. This one here being a ZR2 though, it's got the 6.2 litre V8 and you definitely hear it out of those exhaust tips. This one here has got the Baller S-type exhaust system, the tips out the back. It already came in with a pretty cool looking tub rack up on top, steady light bar, some steady spotlights on the front of that one, and then on the rear end it had a steady light bar on the back, but we've swapped that out for a Baja Designs Sport S2. So 2 Sport S2s from Baja Designs is going to really light up the back end there. The factory little LED lights only do so much, and this customer had a cheap LED light set up to smoke out the LED lights. They kept falling off, they were cracking. He had to spend the money twice, but now he's got the Big Dog Builds Pro Spec LED lights, and it's really just tied in the rear end of the vehicle. Swing around and I'll show you the wheels and tyres on this beast. With the BDS 4-inch suspension kit, we've had to jump up to a 20-inch wheel for the wheels and tyres to clear the spindles in this kit. Tonight's not the night, it's a bit wet to go and show you how this thing can flex up. The amount of down travel in the suspension means that these rear wheels will tuck down really nice, even with the factory leaf springs from the ZR2 model. But with the Method wheels, the Toyo MT tyres, the 315 in the machine finish from Method looks amazing, and then the Toyo MT, so 35, 12.5, 20 in the MT tyre from Toyo. It's one of my favourite muddies, that's for sure. And with the front end of this one, we've gone for obviously the same wheel and tyre combination. And we've also installed the apex valves all around, so that's going to deflate those tyres down from 40 PSI on a ZR2 down to 10, 15 PSI in a matter of about 15 seconds. And then for this wheel and tyre combination, it's really suited the non-flared option in the ZR2. You've just got the little factory flares, so the fitment's pretty much bang on. You could go a little bit wider, and then you need to go for painted flares, which is a bit of a challenge when it comes to the ZR2 model. We can do it, it's just going to cost a bit. But front bumper spacer kit means limited trimming on this model here. It definitely looks the part, it sounds the part. With the BDS 4-inch suspension kit, got both low speed and high speed adjustable on them as well. This thing is going to boogie both on-road and off-road. If you like this video, guys, check this ZR2 out here. And if you want to see these things boogie up the beach, this season here is one to watch as well.